Another one! Oh my god. Another SBO. Another one.
In northeastern New Jersey, Eastern Union County in
Let's go.
Bergen County in
Dude, that wind is crazy.
Essex County in northeastern New Jersey.
God damn.
County in southeastern New York. Rockland County in
Jesus
southeastern
Lord,
New
this
York.
thunderstorm.
At 9 p.m. At 8:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending
God
from
damn.
Pittsburgh to New Bloomfield to Brilhamboy, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Another one.
Hazard, 60 miles
Doesn't
per
say
hour.
20 impossible.
Source, radar indicated.
Hold up, I'll be right back.
Expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Newark and Patterson around 8:35 p.m. Jersey City and beyond around 8:40 p.m. Hoboken and Hackensack around 8:45 p.m.
Dude, super windy.
Reportedly around
God
8:50
damn.
p.m. For your protection, move to an interior
This is
room on
crazy.
the fourth floor of a building.
God damn.
The severe thunderstorm warning for Central Somerset County is canceled.
God damn.
The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight.
I'll turn all of these on because it's starting to get annoying.
Here is
Very
a
loud.
weather statement for the following areas in Connecticut, northern Fairfield, and northern New Haven. A strong thunderstorm will impact central Fairfield and northwestern New Haven counties at
Goddamn.
8:45 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm
This is
over
crazy.
Monroe or near Shelton, moving
Goddamn.
at 20 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 40 miles.
I know, it's gonna get blown.